Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make classic Tom Yum Goong. It is sour, spicy, perfect balanced and easy to make. Let's get started. For this recipe, you need 3 lemongrass stalks. Cut off the roots and remove the outer layer. Diagonally cut them. If your lemongrass is bigger and thicker, you can just use 2 of them. And then slice 15-gram galangal. Randomly cut 1 small-sized red onion or shallot. 4 limes. Vertically cut 1/3 of the lime and then cut the rest in half without cutting the core. Now you can easily remove the core of the lime. This way will help you squeeze lime juice even easier. Thai people also squeeze lime on the side of the knife, which can save efforts for your fingers. Another important ingredient in this recipe is mushroom. The premium choice is straw mushroom, which brings amazing umami flavor. If you couldn't find it in your local market, the second best choice is oyster mushroom or shimeji mushroom. They are both very tasty and suitable for this dish. These are kaffir lime leaves. What you need to do is fold it from the back side and pull off the leaf stalk gently. We only use leaf parts. Here I have 4 Thai chilies. They are quite spicy. You might want to reduce it if you are not tolerant to spice. You need to remove the stems, toss them in a mortar, and roughly pound them. It doesn't have to be paste. Just like this is fine. About the shrimps, here I got 8 pieces of prawns, around 450 grams. I personally prefer to cut off all the feet, tails, and the spike on the head. It is more safe and easier to eat without getting messy. But if you like it to keep it, it's totally fine. Now we need to tear off the head and keep the head for later. We're gonna use it to make our shrimp broth. Now we cut through its back and devein the shrimp. See, it's quite easy. You can wash the shrimps one more time before cooking. Toss the shrimp heads in a non-oiled pot. Give it several minutes to cook. Here you can smell kind of BBQ shrimp aroma. You can also press the head to get more tamale. Once the shrimp heads are roasted, add 1.1 liter water. Toss the herbs in except the lime leaves. Here I got everything around 1.25 liter. Once it comes to boil, start to skim the foam. This might take several times. After 10 minutes cooking, our liquid is reaching 1 liter. Time to add our mushrooms. You can pick out the shrimp heads before you put mushrooms. Sorry, I forgot it. After 2 minutes, add shrimps. Then add the lime leaves. You don't want to overcook them, so let's quickly do the seasoning. I added 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons salt. Because each brand of salt and fish sauce include different quantity of sodium, So I suggest that you add salt gradually and taste it till you get what you want. So at this step, if you add lime juice right now, you'll get clear tom yum goong. But today, I like to eat creamy version, so I'm gonna add evaporated milk first. Since I add more liquid, so I need to add 1 more tablespoon of fish sauce. Turn to the lowest heat and add 1 tablespoon Thai chili paste. It's not spicy, just to give some nice red color and flavor. And then you turn off the heat and let it cool down for 1 minute before you add the lime juice, because you don't want to curdle the evaporated milk. Voila, here we got our tom yum goong. Let's try it. It tastes so good. The sourness is zingy and the spice appears mildly, but then it kicks in your mouth when you drink more. All the flavors are well balanced. You're gonna love it. If you like my video or my channel, please give a thumb up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.